It is not uncommon for WordPress beginners to get confused between pages and posts and when to use which one. Now, at first glance, they look very similar. However, they do have specific uses, and it's really important to kind of know the differences so you know which one to use and when. Hi, I'm Julia Taylor, CEO and founder of GeekPack. Now, on the surface, pages and posts look exactly the same, right? Well, they are different. Pages are used for static content and posts are used for timely content. Let's expand on that. Think about a website. It would probably have a home page, an about page, a services page, maybe a contact us page. These are static pages, and although they can be edited and updated, it's typically not done all that frequently. Now, although pages are static, the database does store the publish date, but that is not shown on the front end of the website. Pages are essentially timeless. Pages also follow a hierarchy, so you can have a page within a page. For example, if you have a main services page, you might have sub-pages explaining each service. So service 1 is a page, service 2, service 3. Another thing about pages is they're not meant to be social. You don't need to have a discussion with someone on your services page or have them share that content on another platform. Now let's talk about posts. Posts are displayed by date and in chronological order. Typically, the date will be visible on the post, so you will know how up-to-date the information is. For example, if you're looking for the 10 best restaurants in San Francisco, you're more likely to read something that was published this year rather than in 2010. Now, date isn't the only thing visible on a post. You can also see the author, the category, and tags. And this is all easier for sorting and searching the content. So if you read an awesome blog post and you want to see more like it, you can see who wrote it and see what else they've written. And if you're reading a great blog post and you want more on that topic, then you can check out the category. There's more information about the type of content that's available in posts than pages. The other key factor with posts is it will generally encourage social engagement. So when you write a really awesome blog post, you want people to talk about it. You want people to share it. So posts will have comments open for people to discuss, or you might even have share buttons so that folks can share it onto other platforms. So let's summarize the key differences. Posts are timely, whereas pages are timeless. Posts are organized with category, author, and date, whereas pages are static and they're organized by hierarchy. Posts are social and they're created to be shared and discussed, whereas pages are not. Now, there are always exceptions to this depending on how a website has been built. But hopefully there's enough information there for you to make an educated decision on which is best for you, a page or a post. What'd you think? Did you enjoy that comparison? If so, check out my video comparing WordPress.com with WordPress.org.